Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Mmatrix token. Mmatrix for short. Ticker symbol for this token is AIMX, basically Aimx. This token is getting a brand new central exchange listing. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So the Mmatrix token, Mmatrix for short, is being listed August 24th at 15 hours UTC time on a central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search AIMX, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So, Mmatrix token being listed August 24th on Mexc Global. Now, this token is on the Binance Smart Chain. It's a very well-established project with 9,919 holders already. 18 decimal places on this token, and there is a max total supply of 1 quadrillion tokens. So yeah, they're doing very well so far. I am going to put their Twitter in the corner of the screen over there so you guys can easily find that. It is at Mmatrix Official on Twitter. 18,200 followers, and they just joined in July 2023. Brand new project. They have the blue verified check mark on there. 41 tweets, pretty active on these socials there. They have a Telegram too, at Mmatrix Official, that has 35,795 Telegram members. You can find their webpage at mmatrix.org, and over there you can find a full white paper, play to earn section, token section, mindset, tokenomics, roadmap, collaborations. They have an audit on here. Their audit was done by Fresh Coins, and you can view the full PDF of that if you like. So welcome to the Mmatrix token, the pioneering project that merges artificial intelligence with blockchain technology to offer seamless and intelligent code generation for decentralized finance solutions. At the heart of Mmatrix lies its AI-powered code generator, revolutionizing DeFi development and empowering users with unparalleled capabilities. So it does have play to earn, like I mentioned earlier. So you can play and earn the AIMX token. Welcome to the exhilarating world of P2E gaming, where your gaming skills are not just for fun, but also a gateway to real rewards. Immerse yourself in a dynamic universe that combines gaming and blockchain technology, allowing you to earn valuable assets as you play. Level up your earnings, progress through the game, and your potential earnings will grow exponentially. The more you play, the more you excel, the greater rewards you can reap. So they have the Mmatrix mindset. At Mmatrix, we foster a culture of embracing innovation and pushing boundaries. We believe in the transformative power of artificial intelligence and blockchain, empowering individuals and communities to reimagine decentralized finance. Together, we embark on an inspiring journey of discovery, unlocking endless possibilities and shaping the future of financial freedom. So the tokenomics here, this token can be used here, it says, for utility integration. The Aimx token serves as a versatile utility token within our ecosystem, enabling seamless and secure transactions, granting access to exclusive features and services, and servicing as many means of rewarding active participants as they can, fostering a thriving and dynamic community. It also has a deflationary mechanism. So the Aimx token incorporates a robust deflationary model where a predetermined percentage of the circulating supply is intentionally burned periodically, reducing the token's total supply over time and potentially driving increased scarcity and value appreciation, providing additional incentives for long-term token holders. Also, the play-to-earn game integration and development. So the token is the process of incorporating play-to-earn mechanics into gaming experiences, allowing players to earn real-world rewards through in-game activities. Now, they also have a roadmap on here. Starting with phase 1 is the foundation phase. Assemble a skilled team of developers, create a project's native utility token, launch the website and social media channels, focus on community growth and building interest and engagement. Phase 2 is the play-to-earn development. So implement in-game rewards for players' achievements, integrate NFTs to represent unique in-game assets, establish a governance model for community engagement. Phase 3 is going to be the global expansion phase. Expand to international markets and other languages, host community events and tournaments for players' engagement. By successfully completing these 3 phases, the Play-to-Earn project can build a strong foundation, offer exciting gaming experiences, and grow into a global success with an active and engaged community. So it says collaborations are coming soon, while Mmatrix AI-generated code goes under rigorous testing and auditing. And like I said, they do have a full audit you could check out. Users are encouraged to conduct due diligence and adhere to the best practices to ensure the security and reliability of their DeFi projects. Now they have Medium articles, Telegram, Twitter, BSC scan, webpage, white paper, and a brand new central exchange listing on Mexc Global. So check out that Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.